Hey everybody, it's Koku and I got a gift from Gabrielle Union and I just wanted to open it up with you guys and share the surprise. Gabby girl, I got it surrounded in African fabrics, okay? Got a nice little cushion here. So let's open this up and see what this is doing. Okay guys, as you know, BET Plus original series Gabrielle Union, My Journey to 50 is streaming now. Please watch it. It is a beautiful, beautiful story and it is a two-part series and you are going to love it. Let's see what's in here, guys. Let's see what's in here. Ooh! Let's immediately go to this. So, if you guys don't know, you know now. This is from their winery. It is 3 by Wade. And listen, I'm not going to pretend that I'm the best at pronunciation. Sometimes I just get things wrong or I overpronounce things. But I'm going to say this is Chenin Blanc. Chenin Blanc. Okay? I do know 3 by Wade. And so I am so excited to try this. Thank you so much, Gabby. This is so... Oh, there's something underneath it. Let me put this down. Ooh, Gabby. From her Flawless collection, the 5 Butter Miracle Mask. I'm so excited to try this. This is infused with Brazilian bakuri butter, shea butter, murumuru butter, kapuaku butter, mango butter, and honey. Okay? Detangles and locks in moisture. Yes, I'll be trying that. I'm actually really bad with my hair, so I do appreciate this. Moving on to the third item. Let's see, Gabby, what else do we have here? Flawless by Gabrielle Union line. Okay, I will be going ahead and trying these products. I'm very excited about this. Thank you so much because I'm somebody to just buy my shampoo from the dollar store and leave it at that, and my conditioner too, whatever's on sale. That's what I usually do, and I know that's some of the worst things that you can ever hear. We have, oh my God, Gabby, I'm so excited about this. This is just like all of this wine and hair stuff, girl. Okay, so this is again from Flawless by Gabrielle Union, Hydrating Co-Wash Cleansing Conditioner, infused with marshmallow root extract and rice oil complex, gently cleanses and conditions. This is really actually very important, guys. You know, you hear a lot about rice oil and how it actually does help with growing and thickening the hair. I definitely need that because I have very thin hair, so I will also be using this as well. Thank you, Gabby. All of this is very priceless to me. This is very thoughtful and very well put together. Now, what's this? This is one of my favorite things. Just if you know me, you know this. I love candles. I will light up the house. You will think I'm like having a seance or something. Like it gets spooky in my house. So this is a Brown Girl Jane candle. Okay, I'm gonna smell the candle. This smells amazing. It's so soft and light. Soft, light, and pink. The opposite of me. Gabby, thank you so much for talking to me and thank you for all the gifts. This was so nice. I'm going to get started on the wine very soon, and I'm going to wash my hair this weekend. So I'll let everybody know how that goes. And also, look, y'all, I mean, listen, this is personalized. This is personalized. It has my name on it. Okay. But thank you so much, guys. Remember, you need to watch Gabrielle Union, My Journey to 50. It is now streaming on BET Plus. It is a beautiful 2-part series where she is touring the continent, and really, she involves her family and friends, and they all have a great time. And little Kavi just had such an amazing time. And you all be so warmed by how she was able to discover new things about herself, and everybody else just really enjoyed their journey. And hopefully we all get a chance to get back to the continent too. I'll be there in a little while, child. Thanks, Gabby.